We're now going to talk about the more advanced aspects of basic linear perspective. In Volume 1, we talked about the horizontal line we use to represent the horizon line. We also talked about the vanishing point. The vanishing point is where those two lines intersect, that little tiny area. That little point is what you need in order to draw using linear perspective. This is called at eye level. The area beneath the horizon line is called below eye level. And strangely enough, the area above eye level is usually referred to as above eye level. And we need to know that terminology in order to be able to express ourselves verbally about perspective drawing. So we start with our horizon line, and we have a vanishing point, and you can see that my horizon line is about halfway down the paper. Now we're going to talk about those orthogonal lines that I referred to the last time. This is a vanishing point. There's only one of them. That's because we're going to be drawing something now using one-point perspective. One-point perspective means that we're only using one vanishing point. One point refers to one vanishing point. Now, if you're drawing, say, railroad tracks, we all know that railroad tracks are parallel to one another. Parallel means that if they were to continue forever, they would never intersect. Obviously, if they intersected, there would be a lot of train accidents. But when we're drawing them using linear perspective, the lines will actually appear to come together or converge. Converge means come together. And they will appear to converge and disappear at the vanishing point. So we're going to draw two lines, two, or starting at the vanishing point, away from the vanishing point. And you have to make sure to get exactly to that point. You can see that I'm slightly off, but that's because I'm not able to figure out exactly where that point is using my stylus on the iPad. Now you can see that it looks as though those rails are actually coming towards us. And then, of course, we would have the ties, which would get farther and farther apart as they come towards us and closer together as they move away from us, because things always appear smaller as they reach the vanishing point. Smaller, larger. That's one of the cues and clues that we can use in drawing to indicate that something is either farther away or closer to us.